Now the next letter we're going to talk about is, we are still coming back to this Hamza. Now I want to talk about these letters and this letter. This one is pronounced as ha, ha. When a dog is running and it stops, you see the dog saying, and that's the letter ha. And this one is ah, ah, just as if you want to pronounce a in English. This is the sound for this Hamza. So whenever you see this Hamza, it gives the sound just ordinary but this one is ha, ha, ha. There is a name Habib, not Habib. Some will call it Habib. Habib, they are calling you. No, it is not Habib, it is Habib. You can see Habib. Once you say Habib, you have given another meaning to that name. It is ha, not a. So this is ha and this is a. The next letter we are going to be looking into, they are also 3 in number. Look at, we have the first one to be tha. Look at, this one is called tha, tha, and this one is called dhal, 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 and this one is called dho, dho, dho. So there is different when I say tha, 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 tha for this one, and I say this one dhal, dhal. If I say dhahaba, in dhahaba, dhahaba means he went, or if I say dhahabat, she went, that is past tense. So the letter in dhahaba is this dhahaba, and this is dho, dho, dho. So you can see the pronunciation are very clear. Tha, 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 dhal, 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 and this is dho, dho, dho. The next letter is this and this. We have this as dal, dal, and it is pronounced as if when you want to call that, the letter, this one is just representing D in English. Dal, 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 and this is do, 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 dot, 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 dot. Can you see? It is not possible for me to, if I want to call dad, if I want to say your dad is calling you, will I say your dad is calling you? No, I will say your dad is